Hey, welcome. In today's video, I will show you all of our trades which we took on our public group. This is a public group trading expert. We provide free signals to our members every day to join our public group. You can just click on the link in the description. And this is our VIP group. We provide non-Martingale signals to our VIP members to join. You can just message on Telegram on this username at @bbinary support. So let's get started. So this is our first public signal for today, OJPY down current candle, 5 minutes. But we didn't get the entry here. So we waited for the next signal. The next signal was for OJPY down 5 minutes at 2:20. So I marked with an arrow. So it's better for you to understand. As you can see, I'll explain you why we took this trade. It was a great win. You can just check out. So this was a good downtrend right here. And the second red candle engulfed the previous one. The next green candle retraced from this level, and the moving average also closed near this candle, and it indicated a downtrend. So we took a down trade right here, and this was a good win. As you can see, amazing win right here, no martingale. So we move to the next signal, VIP group, the first signal for the VIP group, GBP CAD, and this was also a good win. I will explain you why we took this trade. So right here, the signal was given at 2:40. I've marked with an arrow. As you can see, I'll explain to you why we took this trade. So the market was in a good downtrend right here, but it touched the resistance right here, and we marked the resistance, and this candle also closed near the moving average, which indicated a downtrend right here. So we took this trade for the downside, and we won this trade. And then we move to the next signal, OJPY. Again, we are back again to OJPY. Let me remove this so it's better for you to understand. So yeah, the trade was given at R55 for the call side, and it was also a good win. I will explain you why we took this trade. As you can see, this was a good uptrend right here, but this candle tried to break the trend, but it couldn't, and the trade continued. So we took the upside right here. It was the perfect time to buy the trade. It was also near moving average and didn't break the trend. So we took this trade and won this trade. As you can see, amazing win. Then we moved to the another signal, Euro USD put. It was also a good one. I will explain you why we took this trade. So the signal was given here, Euro USD put at 3. I will explain you why we took this trade. So as you can see, a strong red candle broke the previous one. Then a green candle formed. The market was in a downtrend, a bit risky near the moving average. But we entered with the trend and we won this trade for the put side. And we got a clear win right here, as you can see. So that's all for today. Strength, clean setup, simple logic, solid results. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and comment below for more live trades breakdowns. See to you in the next one. See this amazing wins. Amazing. Thank you so much. See y'all.